In this video, we will show you how to add sparklines to a PixelPerfect report. In this example, we'll use an existing PixelPerfect report with a native table containing levels for each region built in a previous video. Our goal is to add a sparkline to this report. First, add a label object to serve as the column header for the sparkline. To maintain consistency with other column headers, apply the style we previously created. Next, create space in the report layout for the sparkline column. From the toolbox, select the sparkline object, then drag and drop it onto the report designer. To populate the sparkline with data, we use tables. Open the field list and select Tables. Choose the table you want to use. In this example, Sales Trend. With the sparkline object selected, open the Properties panel and expand the Data section. Under Data Member, select the Sales Trend table to bind the sparkline to it. In Value Member, choose the field you want to visualize. Here we'll use Sales. In the Appearance section, expand View and customize the sparkline as desired. For this example, we'll use the Area view and enable Highlight Max and Min points. Then set colors for the line and highlight points. Finally, apply the even and odd row styles we previously created for a consistent look across the table. When you're finished, save the template and preview the report. And here's the result. The sparkline now appears as a column in the native table. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.